Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Quest Pro controllers. This process is incredibly helpful for resolving common issues like tracking glitches or connectivity problems. Before we dive into the reset methods, always make sure your controllers have a good battery charge. A low battery can often mimic other issues, so checking this is a crucial first step. We'll cover both quick soft resets and more comprehensive hard resets to get you back into your virtual world. Let's start with a quick soft reset, which is perfect for minor glitches. To do this, simply press and hold the Oculus button on your right controller or the menu button on your left for about 8 to 15 seconds. You'll feel a haptic feedback indicating it's powering down. Once it's off, give it a short press again to power it back on. This often resolves small, temporary issues without affecting your settings. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your problem, a hard reset might be necessary. This will erase pairing data, so you'll need to repair afterward. For your right controller, press and hold the button and the Oculus button together. For the left controller, hold the X button and the menu button simultaneously. Keep holding until the LED lights flash red and white, then release. This indicates the factory reset is complete. Once you've performed a hard reset, you'll need to repair your controllers. Open the Meta Quest app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair each controller. It's also a good idea to check for any pending firmware updates for both your controllers and headset, as updates often include bug fixes. If you're still experiencing persistent issues, reaching out to Meta support is your best next step for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.